Hello everybody, it's me Heather and today I have an unboxing from OSEA Malibu. So I have not tried anything from this brand and I also have not opened this up yet. So they sent me a PR package and when I was opening up the PR package a little sample fell out of the OSEA Ocean Lotion. Gotta love that name. So what do we got here? This is Universal Body Moisturizer. So this is tiny, but I look forward to trying it out. So let's see. Whoops! Having issues here. This is what happens when you're doing it live. All right, let's try that again. So let's see what we've got here, because I literally have no clue. So this is very tightly wrapped. This is quite heavy. We love that. We love a PR package that has some weight to it. Oh, let's see. What do we got here? Wow, this looks really lovely. All right, we got the OSEA Golden Glow Body Trio. Wow. So we got the Undaria Algae Body Oil and Anti-Aging Body Balm. And it looks like we got some kind of body brush here. Let's go ahead and see if we can flip this around. All right. This sounds pretty awesome. Plant-based body brush. Okay. Let's see. Without further ado, let's go ahead and let me see. How do I open this up? From the top? From the top. All right. Vegan and cruelty-free. Caring for your brush. Ooh. So let's see. What do we got going on here? This is hard work, you guys. No, I'm kidding. But seriously, this is like in here. And I'm like, how does any of this come out? There we go. One. We got 3 more things in this tightly packed box. Anti-aging body balm. And I'm guessing this is the brush. So let's go ahead and let's move some of this out of the way and we'll work our way through. So we got the Undaria Algae Body Oil. Safe skincare, bioavailable formulas rich in earth and ocean essences deliver powerful skin solutions. Passionately run by our family since 1996. So, mineralized, moisturized glow, clinically proven to instantly improve the look of skin elasticity and deliver deep moisturization. Our seaweed-infused body oil softens, nourishes, and firms like no other. Visibly improves sagging skin to give you more toned and sculpted look, rich yet never greasy. This intoxicating aromatherapy elixir enhances every inch. And directions: just massage this into dry or damp skin. Clean, vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free, and born in California. And look at this. I love seeing that the first item here is sunflower seed oil. So this is sunflower seed oil based body oil. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Seaweed looks good on you. Of course it does. I mean, if I try to accessorize, the first thing I grab for is seaweed. Absolutely. That sounds amazing. Wow. This is a very generous portion. This is 5 fluid ounces or 150 milliliters. Wow, this looks really amazing. Let's see if we can get this started. We'll try. No promises here. We're in a tight spot trying to get stuff going. So it might take me a while to get organized here, but we will definitely try that. There we go. I think we got that going now. So let's see if we can get a pump out. And we did. There we go. That's what we like to see. Ooh, this is what I would almost call that dry oil texture. Ooh, I love that. That you apply it and it instantly just gives your skin sheen and it's absorbed. I got a cat scratch. Don't ask. I love the smell. This does have that seaweed smell. Ooh, I love it. So the Undaria Algae Body Oil from OSEA. All right, let's move on to the next item. This is the Anti-Aging Body Balm. Ooh, sounds amazing. Let's see. Curious what the ingredients are. Let's see what we got here. This is safflower seed oil based. And wait, what's that next one? Ooh, and coconut oil. Nice. Ooh, this is going to be really moisturizing, you guys. Seaweed looks good on you. It looks good on me. let's go ahead and pop this baby out. Ooh. And I love that this is in glass bottles. It just gives it a really luxe feel. And let's go ahead and see if we can get this open and started. Let's get a pump out. All right. Looking forward to trying this. Ooh, look at that texture. Instantly moisturizing. Oh. Now you probably want to put it on in the opposite order that I put it on. You probably want to put the lotion on, then the oil, I'm guessing. But we're doing it live. Oh, wow. That is delightfully moisturizing. So looking forward to trying this Glistening Glow OSEA Anti-Aging Body Balm. All right, so let's see what we got here. So, OSEA. This is the plant-based body brush. I'm guessing is this a dry brush? Is this the kind? Let's take a look. It is. Dry brushing. So what you want to do is before you hop into the shower, you want to just go ahead and literally dry brush. You're just going to run this all over your dry body. This will help to stimulate circulation, help you to detoxify. So while you're in the shower, you're just working out all those toxins. And then after you get out of the shower, you can follow up with all that lovely moisture. Ooh, this is really nicely designed. Ooh, look at this. I love it. This is fantastic. Well, I am just going to have a brand new body after using OSEA's body balm and their Undaria algae body oil. And of course I'm going to dry brush ahead of time. So thank you very much, OSEA, for this very generous PR package. For those of you that are curious, once again, this is the OSEA Golden Glow Body Trio. You can order this online at OSEAMalibu.com. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.